Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to make a statement on the Rule 55 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the yesterday incident in West Jinglait Hills.
You may do so.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 10th of September 2022, around 1:45 p.m., 5 under trial prisoners and 1 convict managed to escape from the District Prison and Correctional Service, Juai, which are as follows. A. Shri I Love You Talang, son of Shri Bijoy Teriang, resident of Murab Village, Juai Police Station. B. Shri Ramesh Khar, son of Shri Rajesh Khar, resident of Mimitlu Village, Juai PS. C. Shri Lodestar Tang, son of Srimati Maris Tang, resident of Motorshia Village. D. Shri Shidor Kid Khar, son of Shri Ramsten, resident of Thangrain Village. E. Shri Marsanki Teriang, son of Novel Pasa, resident of Priang Village, Juai Police Station, a convict. F. Shri Rikmen Lang Lamare, son of Shri Jacob Pandey, resident of Burato Village, Nartiang Police Station. During the preliminary inquiry, it is ascertained that the district prison Juai is segregated into 3 security parameters, whereby the first and outer periphery is managed by the platoon of 6th Battalion, and second and third periphery is managed by the staff of district prison. All under trial prisoner and a convict were inside the third periphery. Around 1:45 p.m. on the 10th of September 2022, when the warden entered the third periphery gate, he was overpowered and forcefully opened the third gate by overpowering the gatesman in the third gate as well as the second gate. On reaching the outer periphery first gate, which is manned by the personnel of 6th MLP Battalion, the personnel of 6th MLP Battalion there tried to stop the jailbreak by firing in the air. However, he was assaulted by the sharp weapon in his head, and the escapee overpowered him, and all managed to escape. In this incident, a total of 4 prison staff and 1 police personnel received injuries, and out of which 1 prison staff and 1 policeman and a policeman got hospitalized. A criminal case, namely Juai Police Case number 118/09/2022 under section 128/34 of IPC was registered against 5 prison staff, namely Rajaswar Head Warden, Sri Chamilan Kenjing Warden, Sri Dame Lahun Sun Temporary Warden, Sri Pendabor Bamon Warden, and Sri Alexius Yauram Temporary Warden, which subsequently been arrested. Following the escape, all police units in the district were alerted on the escape of under trial prisoner and a convict, and subsequently search operations were commenced by all police units, and a special team from district hereunder notice was submitted to the Special Superintendent of Police CID Mekria Shillong for circulation to all districts. On 11 September 2022, a mob of around 5,000 plus villagers from different unknown villages made a hot pursuit of 4 below-noted escaped prisoners and converged into a forested area away from Shangpong village in West Jinglait Hills. On received information, the police team proceeded to the place of occurrence but was vehemently prevented by unruly mob. Police team tried to negotiate and confront the mob to proceed to the place of occurrence to prevent an attack of which there were 4 escapees. However, after much confrontation with the mob, to the effect many policemen got injured, the police team managed to retrieve and remove 4 unconscious escapees from the place of occurrence to civil hospital with the permission of magistrate on duty. However, on reaching the hospital, it was declared by the medical officer that all 4 of them have been brought dead. The 4 deceased are 1. Shri I Love You Talang, son of Shri Bijoy Tarian, resident of Murab village, Juai police station. B. Shri Lodestar Tang, son of Srimati Maris Tang, resident of Mutershia village. C. Shri Shidor Kidkhar, son of Shri Ramsten, resident of Thangrang village. D. Shri Marsan Kitarian, son of Shri Novel Pasa, resident of Priang village, Juai police station. All the 4 dead bodies were presently kept and marked in civil hospital Yalong. The unreal prisoner who escaped the mob lynching is suspected to be Shri Ramesh Khar, and the person who is not in the group is Shri Rikman Lang Lamere, and the whereabouts of the 2 at present is still unknown, and the police is on the lookout for them and on high alert. The additional superintendent of police Western Hills is entrusted to conduct the independent inquiry into the reason and circumstance linked to escape. The district magistrate has directed Sri P.K. Boro, MCS, additional deputy magistrate, Western Hills, to conduct ministerial inquiry into the matter of jailbreak, and Sri M.A. Shalam, MCS, additional district magistrate, is hereby deputed to conduct inquest on the 4 bodies of the escaped prisoner. I just want to add one more line, sir. Regarding this incident, through this Akos House, through you, sir, I request each and every citizen of the state not to take the law into their hand and cooperate with the law enforcing agency so that this type of thing should not happen. Let the law take its own course. Thank you, sir. Thank you.